I'm Erica, and I live in Ontario, Canada. When I was a young teenager, I had an accident with my toboggan. And although I had a significant injury in my lower back, and although I didn't know it at the time, that was going to go on to impact the rest of my life, to the point that a few years ago, my back had gotten to the point where I couldn't stand for very long, I couldn't sit for very long, I couldn't walk very far, I couldn't bend over, and then about 4 years ago, they did an MRI in my back, and the results of that MRI were grim. And I was told that there was nothing that they could do for me, and so they referred me on to a pain management clinic. And there they said, they could do some injections into my spine that would block the pain, or oral medication. And so I had to kind of come to terms with kind of what the rest of my life was going to look like this. And then a short time later at a funeral, I ran into Tom Kerber, who works for the company Kerber Applied Research. And he does research and development work in the light therapy industry. And we got talking, and he said he could help me. So fast forward to July of 2020, so just 3 months ago, it's October 2020, I became the proud owner of this light canopy. And this light canopy has gone on to change my life. I only used it 6-7 times, and I noticed a benefit. And that has just continued on over the course of these few months to the point now where I can stand for long periods of time, I can sit for longer periods of time, I can walk 5 kilometers like not a problem, I can come back and still do something. Bending over, still a work in progress, but even there I see a great improvement. So it has just added so much hope to my life, and I'm so thankful. Oh, and on a side note, I have to say, something that I've noticed just on the side, I've been waking up in the morning and my eyes, for a few years, my eyes just tear. The tears just roll down my cheeks. And it's really annoying. It doesn't hurt, but it's really annoying. And when I go outside, the cold weather, my tears just roll. Or if it's windy outside, it's awful. And it's embarrassing when I'm talking to somebody. This light canopy on the side, without even knowing it, has all but cleared that up. So it's just another thing that I've benefited from with it.